How to fix Gmail notifications not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and here type Gmail, and here you will find notifications. Click on it, and then this one, allow notifications. Maybe you'll find it like that. Then click allow, and here you can manage any type of notification you want. Just click on it and manage it. And now go back. If that doesn't fix your problem, click force stop, and then go to storage, clear cache. And if that also doesn't fix it, then all you need to do, just click clear data, and then you will need to log in again. But that will fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.